Okay. Let's see if we... Oh, yeah, you can get it.
Well, say what it is.
These are leaf cutter ants, I believe, on the trail. And they're carrying their leaves, I guess, to their nest or something. These are the most poisonous ants known to man.
Don't believe a word he says.
They are pretty cool how they carry those leaves around. That would be like me carrying a car on my back, I think.
Get them all the way up here.
They're coming from the forest, carrying their leaves down. That's too cool.
Are we going back to the hotel before we go?
And here's the boggy creek where the swamp monster lives.